Hi, everybody, and welcome back to Amazing Tech for All. Today, I would like to walk us through some of the features that's available in Nextcloud. So you can see that this Nextcloud deployment that we've done over here has actually got a lot of features enabled already that would normally not be enabled by default. So I'm going to just show you some of the features that Nextcloud provides. So to begin with, we have the dashboard. So when you log in, you usually shown the dashboard. You're presented with a dashboard. This can be customized to your environment, your area, and you can just click on customize over here and you can add features and so on if you haven't added already. Then we'll go to the files. The files component allows you to share documents and to upload documents, download documents, and like I said, if you want to share a document or a folder, all you have to do is click on the little share button over there. You can then create an internal link or external link. If you create an external link, it will copy that link and then you can email it to someone. If you have a group of people that's already connected to your Nextcloud, then you can share it with them individually as well. And this would essentially be able to replace your Google Drive or even your OneDrive. Then there's the Photos application. The Photos application allows you to upload all your photographs. I don't think we have any here. There's some standard ones that come installed predefined with your Nextcloud that will show up as well. I've enabled additional features like your calendar. You can have a quick notes. You can integrate it with forms, so you can create a form with it. But one of the interesting things is under files, there's an opportunity for you to actually edit a document in the same way you would with Google Drive. For example, if we click on here and Google Documents, you are able to edit the document and share a document with others in the same way you would on Google Drive or in not just OneDrive, but this is a collaboration feature that's available for Nextcloud. So if we close that, we can look at some more features over here. So you have your settings and so on. You can manage your status, your settings and appearance for that particular user. This is not an administrative user. Administrative user will have a lot more features and the ability to add more of these applications. But yes, we've even enabled appointments. If you go into appointments, you can make your week available that you can set that and then make this available to the internet, and then people who want to make appointments can select a time and date, and it will then populate inside your calendar and you'll see your appointments. You get to, of course, notify others when you are available or not. Anyway, that's just a short video on Nextcloud and some of the features that makes it really, really amazing.